Just a quick update because we've done a little bit of gardening this weekend. It's about the third weekend in May. Weather's really nice, so we decided to put a few more things into the beds. So this is just looking at the greenhouse, and we're going to plant the tomatoes up. So we've now uncovered this bed that did have loads of other plants stored on top of it. We've topped it up with some new compost, and we've just placed out our 6 tomatoes that are going to fit in here. So we've got 3 different types, 2 types of each, and they actually go kind of yellow tomatoes, orange tomatoes, red, yellow, orange, red. So that should look quite nice. And then we've also just attached this bamboo cane up along the top, which I got from my friend Phil, and we're going to add some twine underneath and then tie these up onto the cane, and then that will be the support for the tomatoes as they grow. And this is it, all finished, all planted up with tomatoes in here. And so what we've got is we've got a tomato plant and then the piece of string which goes all the way up to the top, and we've got that all the way along. And then we've also planted out in the front some basil, and at the back some marigolds, and we've got that the whole way along. And so that should grow nicely and grow nicely into a lovely crop of tomatoes. And you can just see Frank having a play with his frisbee outside. I won't show you too many other bits, but we've also planted out our sweet corn into a little grid here in this bed. You have to plant them as a clump because they pollinate each other, so if you put them in a line they don't work very well. Here's the peas, which are getting quite tall now, and you can see the sweet peas have just started coming out as well, so those are looking really nice. In this bed you can just see some of the lettuces are just about winning their battles with the slugs. Got some rocket plants that are getting a bit bigger, but we're still a little way away from actually being able to eat any of this salad. Here's some more of the sweet peas, so a few more over on this side. These are all looking really nice. I think they're all kind of purples and these kind of light blues, so looking forward to more of them coming out. We've also got just here the one and only ranunculus that's actually managed to grow, but that's looking quite pretty as well. So just a few of the flowers that are coming up. And then over to this other flower bed, all these heucheras are actually flowering. They do these funny little flowers at the bottom. We've got these alliums. I think we can just see there's a bee enjoying this one here. So these alliums are looking really nice. Just a few of these popping up. And then we've got this over here. This is, I think, what is it, an Aquilegia. So it has these funny, kind of almost torpedo-shaped flowers. Pretty sure last year that this one was red. This year it seems to be yellow, so not too sure what's going on there. But yeah, this one's looking very pretty as well. And that's it, I think, for this quick update on how the garden's doing. Just enjoying a little bit of time in the summer house as well, which we actually kind of finished painting this weekend. So finally got around to that. Should be nice and waterproof now all the way through, well, the rest of summer, which hopefully won't be too wet. See you next time.